How's it everybody? Happy 2023. It's good to be back. December was a little crazy for me. I didn't get to ride too much. Work was really busy, plus Mother Nature was throwing a couple of curveballs at us as well. But it's January, weather's starting to cooperate, so I'm really looking forward to getting that first ride of the season in. Got one planned for next week. It's going to be an overnighter. Hope and pray the weather stays good and can get out there. Plans for this year, I'm really excited with what's happening with the industry. We saw some great new bikes getting launched into the adventure riding category, the Transalp and the new V-Strom. That's great. It's awesome to see new riders jumping in and the segments growing. Me personally, this is my third year in the adventure riding category, and I'm looking forward to just continuing what I was doing last year, trying to bring out as many friends as possible. I've also still got my spare bike. I've still got my CRF Rally for people to use as a loaner bike. So I'm going to continue down that path of introducing friends to this and showing them new experiences. Plus, I'm going to expand my horizons a little bit. I focused a lot on North Georgia, exploring North Georgia mountains last year, and this year I'm going to reach out a little bit more into the Tennessee and the North Carolina regions and see what I find up there. Of course, bring buddies up there as well. The buddies that were with me through the North Georgia segments last year. Let's go tackle these Tennessee and North Carolina segments. Maybe even try something new down in Alabama. I heard some good riding over there. Plus, late August, got a huge ride planned going through Colorado and Utah. So really excited about that. The planning has begun for that. Got a bunch of buddies that want to come on that. So hopefully everything goes according to plan. That's the major goal for 2023 as well, is that big ride near the end of the summer. Other than that, just wanted to get this shout out there, say what's up to everybody, and happy 2023. Hope we all have even more bigger, greater adventures this year. Cheers, thanks a lot.